Okay. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, friends, and be upon us all. The Honorable Mr. Rizky Syafril, SHI, MSE, and the Honorable friends who are present at this Zoom meeting. We from Group 2 will present the results of our discussion regarding uh, communicating political science approach and the historical development of political science has made public policy one of the object of formal study. Before that, I introduce my group mates. The first, Katlea Salma Conchita Pardede. Next, Deriza Putra, Fazwa Maurazaki, and me, Jihanan Fiska, Irma Cahyani, Tiara Anggraini, Anisha Rizky, and the last, Kencana Frijatullah Kusuma. Okay, the first material will be explained by Ani. To Ani, please go ahead.
The first material organizing. The relationship between political science and public policy. The, the relationship between political science and public policy is very close because public policy is the result of the political process itself. Every political match by the government is primarily inspired from the dynamic of power, the internship of various groups, and the interaction between the political actors involved. Government policy is not simply an administrative decision, but rather the result of a complex political process. Third, a political science participates, we can analyze how power, interest, and decision-making process play a role in determining policy direction which which ultimately impacts the life of the wider community. Next, historical development of public policy study. Public policy study development from classical normative political truths to 20th century scientist study, with modernization the focus shift from the set uh, constitution to how public decisions are made, implemented, and evolved. Scientific and multidisciplinary approach, economics, sociology, psychology, established public policy as a disparate field of study. In reality, political science falls more on state power and form of government. Classical thinkers were viewers police as the study of how states are functioned, how power is expressed, and how the relationship between government and society is regulated. Mm, that's all the material developed. I return is the moderator.
Okay, thank you to Ani. Uh, and the next material will be explained by Kencana. To Kencana, please go ahead.
Timeline of the development of public policy studies in political science. In this phase, attention focused on the theories of the state, law, and forms of government. Thinkers such as Plato and Aristotle view political as a means to achieve the common good. Public policy was viewed as consequence of government action, not as a part object of analysis from more descriptive and normative studies. During this period, political science studies focused more on the theories of the state, law, and judgment of government. public policy was not studied systematically but rather viewed as a part of government action in expressing power, does not yet become a standalone object of such a study. Political administrative dichotomy stage in this period, the idea of parting politics and administration, political administrative dichotomy emerged. According to this approach, politics is understood as the process of decision. According to this approach, policymaking will public administration is responsible from the technical implementation of the decision. This operation aims to ensure more efficient and professional government administration. Simple political decision maker administration technical implementers scholar are beginning to realize that policies is not just about political decisions, but also about how those political are implemented by government officials. This stage can be considered as the beginning of the development of attention to public policy in the study of political science and public administration.
Okay, thank you to Kencana. And the next material will be explained by Katlia sama kepada to Katlia, please go ahead.
Thanks to moderator. I will continue the material. Policy science stage from 1940 to 1960. Oh, am I wrong? Oh no, sorry. Okay. Pioneer by Harold D. Laswell, policy science promotes a scientific and multidisciplinary approach to studying policy, problem identification, alternative formulation, decision making, implementation, and evaluation. Policy analysis provides a practical tool to help governments address complex problems. Next is stage of modern policy analysis from 1960 to present. Since the 1960s, public policy studies have developed rapidly with the introduction of the policy cycle model, which include agenda setting, formulation, decision-making, implementation, and evaluation. New approaches such as institutional, rational policy network, and governance perspective highlight the role of non-state actors, including interest groups, NGOs, the private sector, and international organization in the policymaking process. Next one is political science approach, traditional approach that focus on state constitution and formal institutions. Example, parliamentary studies based on written authority, formal relation with the executive, and organizational structure. The weakness is lack of examination of the actual functioning of institution, insufficient attention to informal actors, tendency to be descriptive and normative, and limited in its contribution to new theory. That's all. Thank you, moderator.
Okay, thank you to Katlia. And the next material will be explained by Tiara. To Tiara, please go ahead.
Okay, thanks to the moderator. I will continue political science approach. Traditional approach focus on the state, constitution, and formal institution. Example, parliamentary studies based on written authority, formal relation with the executive and organization structure. Weakness, lack of expansion of the actual functioning in institution, insufficient attention to information actors, tendency to be descriptive and normative and limited in the contribution to new theory. Next, behavioral approach. Pioneers of the behavioral approach argued that studying formal institutions did not provide sustained insight into actual political process. Therefore, research will be there of explaining human behavior in politics, as it's called, be directly observed. An example of behavioral approach is studying parliaments and a focus on the behavior of their members, such as their voting behavior on bills and their level infinite in passing legislation and their involvement in lobbying activities. Okay, and return to the moderator.
Okay, thank you to Tiara. And the next material will be explained by Fazwa. To Fazwa, please go ahead.
Okay, thank you, moderator. I will continue. The next material is rational choice approach. This approach states the political science can be studied scientifically by examining the behavior of individuals as the main actor in politics. Humans are assumed to be rational, have specific goals, and act based on self-interest, as seen in politicians, bureaucrats, voters, and economic actors. According to James B. Rowe, the core of the rational choice theory approach is human actions are carried out as means to achieve certain goals. Actors choose action based on rational calculation to obtain the greatest benefit. Large-scale social processes such as rules, institutions, and social practice are the result of rational calculation by actors. The next case study of unilateral deactivation of PBI participation. According to the James B. Rule, the core of the rational choice theory approach is human actions are carried out as a means to achieve certain goals. Actors choose action based on rational calculation to achieve the greatest benefit. Large-scale social process such as rules, institution, and social practice are the result of actor rational calculation. This case reflects the dynamic of failed police interagency communication and coordination, from preparation to interim resolution. July 2000 until the data migration presidential instruction number 4 mandate the migration of the TKS to DTCEN based on BPS survey and Ministry of Social Affairs verification. 3 million PBI were deactive, but there was minimal upheaval due to the trial. December 2000 warning and quotes the Ministry of Social Affairs announcing an quarterly evaluation of the National Disaster Mitigation Center, prioritizing the Class 1-5, the national budget or APBN cut off, and regional budget under and February mass deactivation BPJS executive 11 million automatically deactive participants shocked upon checking treatment. Viral cases such as Chandra Java's hemodialysis patient being rejected by hospital. The next February, public escalation campaigns both social media, YouTube, and the hotline. BPJS Watch and Critic one side, British House of Representation Committee hold an emergency meeting with the Ministry of Social Affairs, Ministry of Health, and BPJS Kesehatan. And the next February, 5-point agreement between the DPR and the government. The closed meeting result in a 3-month grace period for contribution covered by the state, rapid verification via the social service, mass outreach, DTC and audit, emergency reactivation of chronic patients. February 10, reactivation post-open YLK issue a warning media covered the end of the commotion. February long time past the advocacy team filed a judicial review of social affairs ministerial regulation with the Constitution Court. BPJS report completion of reactivation, but complaint from the elderly rural area continue. Okay, that's all material from me. Thank you, moderator.
Okay, thank you, Takazwa. And the next material will be explained by Irma Chayani. To Irma, please go ahead.
Okay, thank you. The structural cause of the controversy surrounding the deactivation of BPJS Kesehatan PBF program lies in the lack of synchronization between the dynamic DTSAN data update decided to eliminate fictitious or ghost data drop BPS survey and Ministry of Social Affairs verification and failed implementation process, which does not involve ground-level check by RT or RW or village unit, leaving many participation vulnerable to being mistakenly deactivated. Furthermore, the policy communication failure is glaring, with no personal notification mechanisms such as SMS, pamphlets, or transitional SKTMs in place, while BPJS Kesehatan only acts as a technical executor via SIKSNG without primary decision-making authority. Political fiscal factors exacerbate the situation as the post-presidential reelection of the state budget, or APBN, priorities shift to infrastructure mega projects, reducing JKN subsidies, and squeezing regional APBD by up to trillion to budget refocusing, which hampers regional autonomy in funding BPPU or regional government beneficiary assistance program. Next, the institutional or traditional political approach is more relevant to analyzing this case because it emphasizes the role of formal state institutional regulations such as Decree of Minister of Social Affairs No. 3 HAUKA and government regulation, as well as institutional coordination mechanism in the creation and implementation of public policy, where the Ministry of Social Affairs determines data, the BPJS executes it, and the host representative oversees it through emergency meeting of communication. This approach reveals that the main problem is not the substance of the budget efficiency policy, but rather weak institutional process, a lack of coordination between the Ministry of Social Affairs (BPJS) and Ministry of Health, information transparency to the public, and low government accountability that lead to evident violation of the principle of fairness and equality ala Rouse and Godwin, as in the study of BPJS PBI Surabaya. More data is not on target, similar to this national case, thus requiring improvement to the verification system, mass socialization or coordination to ensure that health police align with the mandate of the Constitution regarding people's welfare. Thank you.
Okay, thank you to Irma. And the last material will be explained by Deriza. Deriza, please go.
Okay, thank you to the host for giving me the opportunity to open this presentation. Uh, the conclusion in the slide, host. Hello. Conclusion of political science is the study of power, the state, and the decision-making process in society. Throughout its development, political science has employed various approaches to understand political phenomena more comprehensive. One important object of study in political science is public policy, as public policy is the result of a political process involving various actors and interests. By understanding the various approaches to political science and their historical development, we can understand how public policy is created, implemented, and evaluated within a system of government. Uh, thank you. Thank you to the host for opportunity. Thank all for my presentation. I will now return the session to the host. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Deriza. That's all we can convey. I say thank you and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.